Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, 9:56 in Honolulu, 3:56 in New York on Monday, 22nd day of April, 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold prices dropped dramatically this morning after both Israel and Iran backed away from the brink of an escalating scenario with attacks on both sides. Gold futures dropped 2.62% or $63. It is currently fixed at $23.4340. That did affect our current trade, stopping us out at $23.60. We'll cover that when we pull up our technical studies. In terms of the percentage decline, silver was almost double that of gold, losing 5.06%. That is a drop of $1.45.5, taking the most active July contract to $27.29. And today's strong decline in both gold and silver had little to do with dollar weakness. The dollar is down 0.01%, taking the dollar index to 105.97. I am sorry to have to report that today's incredibly strong decline did run through our stop. We had a stop at 23.60. On the 16th day of April, that's this candle right here, we issued a buy recommendation. Traders taking that call got in between 24.07 and 24.09. We'll mark it as 09, which means that the loss on this trade was $49 per ounce. Because the event that occurred on Friday of last week with Israel retaliating for the 300 plus missiles and drones that were launched into their country, we could be witnessing a one-off. We are just at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. That occurs at 23.4580. Currently, we are at 23.4110, so just below that price point. If, in fact, we see gold continue to track lower, the next price point we'd want to look at is the 38.2% Fib retracement, and that occurs at $2,283. Below that is $2,232, the 50% retracement, a very deep retracement, which I don't believe we'll have unless something fundamental breaks that is extremely bearish towards gold, would be about $2,182, the 61.8% retracement. Again, the data set we are using begins at $2,018 up to the record high of $2,448. Silver had a much more significant drop, over 5%. To give you an idea of the data set that we are using for this Fib retracement, it begins up at these highs. The most recent high that silver has hit, above $32.50, down to the end of the correction, and that occurred at the end of August with gold trading at $19 per ounce. Unquestionably, the recent rally was exceedingly strong in silver, beginning at about the middle of February when silver was trading just above $22.30 per ounce. It went well beyond the 23.6% retracement. That is this tail here. That came in right below $30 per ounce. We had this rounded top. We have seen that in the dollar, gold, as well as silver. But look at this candle today, a significantly large candle, over a 5% drop. The last time we saw any kind of drop even close to that amount occurred on December the 4th last year, and that was much less significant, moving from 26.15 down to about 25.15, a full dollar drop. Today's drop was well over $1.50, from 28.78.5 to 27.26. It is below the 38.2% Fib retracement, and we have this top here that occurs at $25.80, and this top here, and I'm going by the real bodies, at $26.20 if I round it up. If we see silver continue to drop, I would look for the first potential level of support to come in between 26.20 and 25.80. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.